how you can add emojis on your Facebook profile. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's start. First, open up your Facebook and just go to your profile like this. Make sure that you're on your profile. Now what you need to do is just tap on the edit profile button right besides to add story. Now after you do that, if you scroll down, you will see different sections like bio, details, links, highlights. Now you can add your emojis on your bio. So just tap on short bio, say hi, now add any emojis you want. You can just choose whatever emojis that will make your profile pop out. And you can even add it on your links. After you add it on your links, just add your social links, and on your username you will be able to add more emojis. Now that is pretty much it. Now if you reload your page, you'll have emojis on your page. That is all guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye, take care.